Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. So thank you very much for your comments and support friends. Keep watching my video. And today I got friend for repair. This is SHURE PGX1 bodypack transmitter. So I will repair this one today. I will show you what's the problem. Let's check out what's the issue in this. I got the battery. Just open this one. Keep. So now 3 voltages going. We'll just check the voltages. See guys, 3 volt. Okay. So we'll put it on. Here, see, when I press this on off switch, there is a light indicator. It should get on. See, this is supposed to get on. See, it is not getting on. It means there is the problem. So the problem is it is not getting on. So let's check what's the issue in this. So we'll take it out. Take it out. Anyway, this is damage. It's the one. Keep this all aside. Be careful. Better take it out. Be careful. So here is this is the supply. Okay guys, this is the pin for the supply line. The battery little broken, never mind, so just keep aside. So guys, what we will do now, see, this is the battery connectors. This is plus, this is minus, plus minus. Okay, so guys, what we will do, we'll give separate 3 volt supply. We'll take this one inside the port and we'll give 3 volt supply separately from here. Okay, we'll do like that. So perfect. So we'll check the voltage. See guys, voltage is coming. Okay, 3 volt is coming. So now so actually this is power voltage controller IC. Here is 6-pin IC is there. This is power controlling IC. So what we will do, we'll just check some voltages. It's coming 3 volt. Okay, voltage is coming. Okay, see, voltage is coming, my friend. Here this 6-pin IC, this is actually, you can see this is 6-pin IC. This is the 6-pin IC. So this is the main controlling voltage controlling IC. So on this IC, pin number 1 is output, 3 is coming, 1, 2 is ground, 1, 2, 3, C, 4, 5. Voltage is actually controlling in this IC. It's perfect. Output is also going out from pin number 5. Output is coming. This is the pin number 5. 2.9 volts coming. But after that, it is circulating over here somewhere. So what we will do now, we'll check some ohmic test, my friend. Some ohms, some These are some transistors and mentioned MOSFETs are there, small one. So we'll just check it out, that one also. Just keep watching my video. So what we'll do, first we'll remove the battery, put it off the battery, disconnect it. So friends, we'll check some components, resistance components like resistor, transistor, PF, and is there any shorting is there, because according to me the voltage over here is 100% okay, but we'll check it out. But even though, see, there is one transistor over here. I don't know what is this one. This is like a Schottky diode maybe, so there is no any shorting. This is like a Schottky diode, it's okay. And here, okay, this is like channel MOSFET showing like that, it's okay. There's no showing any shorting. Here PF also not showing any shorting, this is okay. See, this is 6-pin IC, voltage controller IC. This is 6-pin. So pin number 2 is ground. 1 is showing how much, 654. So there is no any shorting in this. It is okay. It is not showing any shorting. So this is a PF. So this also okay. So let's check at the back side, because some backside also is there. See here, is there any shorting? There is no shorting or any leakage components, nothing. So it's okay. See, there is no shorting. Okay, there is no shorting, my friend. Here, I need to check everything everywhere. So nothing. This is PNP transistors. Okay. How about here? Okay. Well friends, there is a PF over here. I don't think so. This side is okay, so we'll check this side. This wire was removed out, so we'll connect it back later on. And now only we'll just disconnect. So here is a PF, no shorting, it's nothing. So guys, now here there is some 3 transistors are there. There is no shorting. Okay. So friends, there is one transistor over here. This is 1R. It is on the body of this one is 1R. Here I must get some ohms in PN transistor. This is the PNP transistor. Sorry, this is 1R. See, this is, I am not getting any ohms over here. See, there is no any ohms. So I think this transistor might be defective. We need to learn this is. I think for more better understanding, we need to take it out, this transistor. Okay, then we'll check it out. The number on the body, it is written 1R. So anyway friend, we'll take this out. So friends, we'll take this out. So friends, take on this. See, it is not showing any. See, it should supposed to show ohms. So the transistor is open. Okay guys, so now what we'll do, we'll replace this transistor with the good one. So friends, this is the faulty one, so we'll take it out the new one. So this is the new one. So this is the new one. This is so this is not the same number, but it's a PNP transistor equivalent. Sorry friends, it's not the PNP, it's a NPN transistor. It should supposed to be NPN transistor because the number of this is 1R. So when I check 1R on the website, it was showing NPN transistor. So it is not PNP, NPN transistor. Sorry for the wrong information. This is NPN transistor. See, because nowadays some transistors marking code was sometimes you will not get on the internet. This is a problem. Okay guys, this is NPN transistor. This is showing open. Okay, this is showing open. So now what we'll do, we'll replace this one with the new one now. This is the old one, keep this aside. So we'll not change this. So first we'll clean this one, my friend. So guys, we have soldered it. Perfect. Now we'll check this is NPN transistor exactly. See, now it is showing it is. Before it was not showing. Okay, so we found this NPN transistor faulty. We'll fix it back directly in the box, then we'll check. So we have replaced the transistors, NPN transistor this is. So we'll fix it back and check. Okay friends, now it's the battery. So now we'll put it on. Now we'll check. Guys, it's all comes. So friends, if you push little 1 second, see this goes into mute, again unmute. So if you want to put it off, keep pressing, it's off, again press on, so it's on. So friends, it's working. So thank you very much for watching my video friends. If you have any comments or any suggestions, any advice from your side, please leave it on my comment box. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe it, and don't forget to press bell icon button, so whenever I upload new video, you should get very immediately to you. Okay guys, perfect. Okay, thank you.